Welcome horror freaks and fanatics to another one of my GhostFace collection update videos. This is part 3 to my collection updates. With this one we're only be looking at 3 masks. I did have a 4th one on the way. I ordered it back in November and I think it's only just arrived in the UK. It's been an absolute nightmare trying to get it. The guy did deliver it about 2 weeks late. I ordered another mask from America and it arrived within 10 days, and that will be on another video because it's a very, very special mask to me and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys that mask. Nonetheless, I want to move on to the first mask. It's a special one to me because it's a GhostFace fucking variant! Just look at the shapes and the details, dude. I love the way this mask looks. I've seen so many different variations of this mask. It seems to look different throughout the years of production. There's also the deluxe zombie mask, and as you've probably seen in my other video, I have the other GhostFace zombie mask, which is a dark grey. This one, as you can obviously see, is a white mask. It has random blotches of yellow, and you can also see somebody shit-fingered the mouth. I'm guessing Doofy probably got a little bit handsy with this one. I did a little bit of research and looked at some of the other GhostFace zombie masks of this particular style, and all of them seem to have the shit finger on them. If anyone can explain why there's shit finger on the mouth, please tell me. Just so you know, I'm planning on doing a rehaul video on this mask very soon. I'm going to be completely repainting the entire mask, reshaping it a little bit as well. Don't think I'm going to include that in a video, you know, just use a freaking hairdryer, man. It's not hard to work out. It's plastic. Heat it up, it becomes soft, let it cool down and it shapes. And here's the stamp. You can see there's 2 little shit stains there. You've got the EU mark with the little C copyright. I think the stamp looks ugly on zombie mask, which is a shame because the mask looks incredible, but it's let down by that. And let's just have one quick look again before we move to my next mask. Now this one I found on the UK eBay website. I know, what the fuck, the UK eBay website, you ask? Yeah, somebody was actually selling something that wasn't an ultra white on the UK eBay. This one was sold by somebody who seems to be a big collector. He was getting rid of a bunch of masks. There was red and black tags, there was an ASIS tag. I don't care for tags, I'm a cosplayer, I might collect, but I want to wear my masks. I'm a mask maker, and I'll tell you one thing, masks are made to be worn, not to be hidden away in some bag and stuffed in a drawer. I know some of you prefer to do that, but I find it quite sad, especially when you get people who hoard dozens of the same mask when you know that somebody else would actually appreciate that mask and make good use of it, instead of it just being squashed up in some drawer somewhere and hidden away just so somebody can sell it on. You know, these masks, they are cheap, you know, don't get me wrong, but whether you're a collector, a mask maker or whatever you are, you can appreciate the art behind this mask, you can appreciate the shape and everything else, so display your motherfucking mask, bitches. If somebody bought one of my masks and tucked in a drawer, I'd be very sad. And moving on to the final mask, the headliner if you will. Now this one has a unique stamp. I approached a number of collectors, one being Father Death 420, very knowledgeable guy, another being Tim Wagstaff, and another being Screamfan 1990. Shout out to all you guys. Screamfan 1990 is on YouTube, make sure you check her out. Father Death 420 is under Dale Wright. They have some great content. Scream 1990 is very frequent for uploads. She has an incredible collection. Tim Wagstaff is on there as well. He's pretty good. Mostly does really long videos. So yeah, this is a ASIS 97. Father Death 420 advised me a long time ago when I got my 98, as you saw in my previous video. The difference between a 97 and 98 is the texture. The 97 is harder. With that, it tends to keep its shape a lot better. Now, I do need to reshape the mouth a little bit as it's a bit slanted, but this is a beautiful mask with a nice vanilla scent to it. The glow is very, very prominent as well. Here's the stamp. Excuse my bad nail varnish, I haven't actually touched it up. But anyway, you can see here, instead of the traditional Easter Unlimited, it has just an EU ink, and it is a T stamp as well. But anyway, so I asked Tim Wagstaff, he gave me the best answer. He said, oh dude, it's probably a kid's mask. But it's not. It's a full-size mask, as you'll see in a moment when we have the lineup. It's even slightly bigger than some of the other masks. So it's definitely not a kid's mask. It's an adult's mask, but with a stamp no one else has seen before. If you're a collector, screen mask fanatic, whatever you want to call yourself, and you know what it is, can you please leave a comment, or perhaps even if you might know somebody who might know, can you show them this video and see if they can identify that stamp? I just want to know why the stamp is so different. Thanks if you do that, really appreciate it. Now guys, if you haven't already, please check out some of my other GhostFace videos, as well as my own slasher mask making videos, cosplay videos. Yeah, I've got a fuckload of content on there, check it out guys. Here's the lineup. You can see the 97 is a decent size compared to the rest, slightly larger. But yeah, it's a very white mask, as you can see. The other Screen 4 is not a dark mask, it's not yellow, it's just very white. Anyway guys, thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to check some of the others. Leave a comment, tell me what you want to see next. For the time being guys, stay spooky, and remember, share the scares.